Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ronsah, also known as Sasa, and if you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be using Flexi Rods on blow dried hair for the first time. I did a video before of doing it on wet hair. You can also check it out on my channel as well. And I'm going to show you all the products I'll be using. I know my hair looks crazy right now. I separated it with silk scrunchies and some hair clips. Here is my big bag of Flexi Rods. You can also find it in my Amazon storefront. I think it's, 56 pieces are in here. But I'm probably only gonna use maybe 10 to 12. And I'm going to be using the Dew Mousse Def texture foam. And I will be using the unbrush. The links will be in the description down below. Now let's get into it. Ooh. Okay, I took this section down. So look at this nice, pretty section here. I'm going to apply some foam. And I didn't really focus on doing clear partings either. We're just gonna see how it's gonna turn out. Gonna put a little bit more mousse. And I'm gonna brush it in. Oh, I think I need a lot more. Because I know a lot of people use a good amount of mousse to where it looks kind of soaking wet. Then I'm gonna bend this side. I finally got the first section down. For the next piece I'm going to do, I think I'm going to twist it a little bit, like twist it down 2 inches and then apply the Flexi Rod. So should I make this 2 sections? Yeah, let me do that. I really hope this comes out really good, guys. Like, How you section your hair for your Flexi Rod set can affect your results. For me, I used medium-sized sections so I could get more volume. If you would like more smaller defined curls, you would have to do smaller sections. I'm going to get my mousse. This mousse has a really great hold too. Put enough. And I switched my brush. Instead of using unbrush, I'm gonna try the Denman brush to get my hair as smooth as I need it to be for the Flexi Rod. I don't want to sleep with this, but it's looking like I have to sleep with them in. When it comes to rod size, if you want a tighter curl look, the smaller rods will give you that result. Medium rods give you more big curls, and the larger rods are more like body waves, or more of a wavy look. Add a little extra mousse at the end so the ends could really lay down neatly on the rod. I don't know if I should put this in make this two sections or one section. Don't know. Rolling direction. The direction you roll the flexi rods affects the shape, volume, and movement of the curls. I am rolling these sections away from my face so it could frame my face. Try your best to keep the rolling direction consistent on each side so the curls blend better for the flexi rod set. If your curls come out frizzy or bent weirdly, it's usually because the ends weren't wrapped smoothly along the rod. The last piece. Okay. Yes, and I did do my hair with the side part. So now all the rods are in. Ooh, this one I might have to touch up on that one. Yay, yay. Yeah, I might touch up on this one. Wait. Let's see, because it's a little loose. And you need it really, not tight, but yeah, I really need to fix this one. Let me twist it at the root. Okay, I fixed it. So here is the rods. Okay, I'm going to sit around, chill a little bit for it to dry. And I might get a blow dryer to help speed up the process. I really don't want to sleep with it overnight, but we'll see. Stay tuned. Okay, I'm back. It has been 6 hours since I did my hair. I'm going to use the blow dryer a little bit, and this is the Revlon blow dryer paddle brush. And I'm just going to put it on low. Before I unravel it, I just want to make sure it's really dry. Okay, my hair seems pretty dry, hopefully. So, time for the reveal. Okay, I guess I'm gonna start with which side? Start with this side first, I guess. Oh wait, I'm going to take down my flexi rods with this Camille Rose Oil, just to make my hair not have as much frizz when I take them down. I'm going to start off with this one. Yo, I don't know how to take this down. Wait, okay. Okay, I'm not going to separate it yet. I'm just gonna take them all down one by one first, and I'm just going to unwind it. Ooh, that bounce. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, I'm really excited. Notice how I'm taking them down like really slowly. Oh, this one does have a twist, so I'm going to gently separate it. Wow. And you just twirl it back. Oop, I got one here sticking out. I don't remember which way it was going. Just come back to that one. This is so cute. Now it's time to separate, and I'm going to apply a little bit more oil to my hair. So, oh, my earring. Hold on a sec. Okay, I applied a little bit more oil to my hair. So, I'm gonna start maybe this one. Oh yeah, it's like very careful to separate. Ooh, this one felt a little wet. Ay, ay, ay. But we'll make it work. Guys, I was trying my best not to mess up the curls, but you know, I did my best. I should have slept with it overnight so that the curls would have a stronger hold, but I really wanted to make sure that my hair was going to look good before I go to work tomorrow, because I usually would not have enough time to take out all these rods out my hair the day of work, so I had to check it out. I'm going to show you guys the final result. I know some pieces of my hair were wet, but we made it work. I really didn't want to sleep with the rods in my hair, but it's very cute, bouncy. I might stretch it with some hair ties. But thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comments, have you tried this hairstyle? And if you have any tips, let me know. Yeah. Let me know in the comments.